Stop. If you're still doing this manually, you're wasting 10+ hours every single week. I spent the last 30 days testing over 50 AI tools. Most were garbage, but these 7, they literally transformed how I work. I'm talking about cutting a 5-hour task down to 15 minutes. And the best part, 5 of them are completely free. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools to use for content creation that takes minutes, not hours, automations that run while you sleep, and AI that actually makes you money. So let's dive in, starting with number 7. Number 7, and yeah, it's ChatGPT, but wait. Most people are using it completely wrong. Watch this. Instead of asking, "Write me a blog post," which gives you generic garbage, try this prompt. Act as an expert content strategist. Create a 1,500-word blog post about topic. Use the AIDA framework. Include 3 real-world examples. Write in a conversational tone with short paragraphs. See the difference? This one prompt structure saves me 3 hours per blog post. That's 12 hours a week if you're creating content daily. Free plan, $0. Pro plan, $20 a month. Worth every penny. All right, drop a 7 in the comments if you're already using ChatGPT. Let's see who's ahead of the game. Number 6 might actually be better than ChatGPT for one specific thing, and that's coding and analysis. Claude AI by Anthropic. And here's why it's insane for productivity. It can analyze 200,000 words at once. That's an entire book. You can literally upload your company's documentation and ask it anything. I uploaded a 50-page client brief last week, asked Claude to summarize key action items and create a project timeline. Took 30 seconds. Would have taken me 2 hours manually. Best part, free tier is generous. Paid is $20 per month, same as ChatGPT. My take, use Claude for work docs and code, ChatGPT for creative content. Hold on, before we continue, quick question. Are you even subscribed yet? 98% of you watching aren't. Hit that button right now. It's free and helps the algorithm show this to more people. Cool? Cool. Tool number 5 is my actual secret weapon for staying organized, Notion. Here's the problem most people have. Scattered notes everywhere. Google Docs, random text files, sticky notes. Notion AI solves this and supercharges it with AI. Watch, I can ask Notion AI to summarize my meeting notes, create action items automatically, even write the follow-up email, all in one place, all in 10 seconds. I use this for everything. Video scripts, client projects, personal goals. It's like having an AI assistant that knows your entire business. Free for personal use. AI features, $10 a month. Pro tip, start with templates. Notion has thousands for free. Number 4 is absolutely insane if you need visuals. Midjourney. This is the AI that creates professional-level images from text descriptions. And I mean professional, like these images can sell for thousands of dollars. Here's how simple it is. I type, ultra-realistic photo of a futuristic workspace, cinematic lighting, 8K quality, and boom, professional photo in 60 seconds. I use this for YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, client presentations, even merch designs. It replaces a $5,000 a month graphic designer. Pricing starts at $10 a month for 200 images. I'm on the $30 plan, unlimited. Fair warning, you'll get addicted to generating images. Quick check-in, we're halfway through. Which tool are you most excited about so far? Drop the number in the comments, I actually read every single one. All right, top 3 coming up. These are the game changers. Tool number 3 is honestly a little scary how good it is. ElevenLabs, AI voice generation that sounds 100% human. Check this out.
Enjoying the value? Drop a like and hit subscribe. More amazing tools coming.
This is an AI voice. That's not real. That's AI. Mind-blowing, right? I use this for video voiceovers when I'm sick, multilingual content without hiring voice actors, audiobook narration, even cloning my own voice. Last month, I created a video in 5 languages using my cloned voice. Would have cost me $500 plus per language with real voice actors. ElevenLabs, $99 a month for unlimited. Paid for itself instantly. Free tier gives you 10,000 characters a month, perfect for testing. If you create content regularly, this is a no-brainer investment.
Number 2 is where things get really powerful. Automation. Make.com, formerly Integromat, and it's like Zapier, but 10x better. Here's what it does. It connects all your apps and makes them work together automatically. Like while you're sleeping, this thing is working. Let me show you my actual workflow. 1. New email comes in. 2. Make extracts key info. 3. Creates a task in Notion. 4. Sends me a Slack notification. 5. Adds to my calendar. All automatic. Zero manual work. I have 15 automations running right now. They handle lead generation, social media scheduling, file backups, and customer onboarding. It's like having a virtual assistant team for $10 a month. Free tier lets you try it with limited runs. Paid plans start at $9 a month. This one tool has saved me probably 20 plus hours every week. Okay, number 1 is where things get really powerful. This tool literally made me $4,000 last month by itself. Ready?
The number 1 tool that will 10x your productivity in 2025, Descript. Now, you might be thinking, a video editor, really? But Descript isn't just a video editor. It's an AI-powered content creation studio. It can edit video by editing text, mind-blowing, remove filler words automatically, generate AI voices, create captions instantly, remove background noise, and even create AI avatars, all in one app. This tool cut my video editing time from 4 hours per video down to 45 minutes. I'm not exaggerating. The text-based editing alone is worth the price. And here's the kicker. The free version is actually usable. You get 1 hour of transcription per month. For most people starting out, that's enough. Paid plans start at $12 a month. I'm on the $24 plan, and it's the best software investment I've ever made.
All right, quick recap of the 7 AI tools that will 10x your productivity in 2025. 7. ChatGPT for content creation. 6. Claude AI for analysis and coding. 5. Notion AI for organization. 4. Midjourney for visual creation. 3. ElevenLabs for AI voices. 2. Make.com for automation. And 1. Descript for video editing. Combined costs, if you get them all, about $120 per month. Time saved, easily 30 plus hours per week. That's an extra full work week, every single week. Now, here's what you need to do right now. First, pick one tool from this list. Just one. Don't try to learn all 7 at once. You'll get overwhelmed. Second, spend this week mastering that one tool. Really dive deep. Third, come back and watch this video again next week. Pick tool number 2. And if you found this valuable, which I'm guessing you did since you made it to the end, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and drop a comment telling me which tool you're starting with. I'll see you in the next video. Keep decoding the future.